Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is UPL Food and I'm Alpella. So today we'll be looking at a very lovely dish I love to prepare. It's called Bolognese. The first thing you do, you put in your olive oil and then you put in your onions. I love to use olive oil because of the health benefits, okay? But if you don't have, you can also use the vegetable oil. So the moment you put in your onions, you saute, you make sure when you do that, then the next thing you put in your mincemeat, okay? Add minced pork if you mean to as well, okay? Then after that you saute it for a while. After you grill for a while, you put in your bay leaf, you put in your rosemary. Yes, I love to use rosemary and it's very healthy. Then the next, you put in your oregano. When you put in your oregano, you mix together, you let it to grill for a while and you can see how beautiful it's coming in. You put in your Maggi. I used 1 cube of Maggi for this. And then you put in your pepper. It depends on how you want your pepper to be. I just put in 1 pepper and you put in your salt, then you mix together. It's a very delicious meal, I tell you. So the next thing, you put in your fresh tomato. I use the canned one. You can also use the fresh one. Anyone is good. Then what I do, I normally use the cup of the can to measure my water because it gives me the perfect measurement I need. Yes, and then I pour it into the pot and boil for a while, and then I put in my tomato paste for thickening and also to make it better. All right, then I put in a little of sugar, just a little, so that it can kill the taste of that tomato paste. Okay, then you reduce to number 1 and let it just steam and cook for the next 45 minutes. Okay, the moment it's 45 minutes, your bolognese is perfectly cooked. For this, it has cooked for like, let's say, about 15 to 20 minutes. You can start seeing that it's coming together. Beautifully, and it really tastes so good. I tell you the truth, if you make this dish for your family, you will always come back to make it. So the next thing, you let it boil more, then you put your water. So it depends on what you want to eat it with. You can use macaroni, spaghetti, whatever you prefer. Some people even use rice, but I prefer to use macaroni. So you put in your salt in the water, you close it to come to a boil, and the next thing, we'll check all the bolognese again. Make sure you keep checking it and keep stirring. Okay, so the next thing, you have to remove the pepper if you don't want the pepper to be overpowering. Very important you remove it. But if you're someone that you love pepper, you can even break it open, let it overpower. But at the end, the food will be too pepperish, and that's not what you want. So now you prepare your cheese. This is called Gouda cheese. You prepare your Gouda cheese and your Parmesan. I use the two. The whiter one is Parmesan, while this other one is Gouda. This is my macaroni, and then I put it in the water. It was so nice, and you cook it for the time written on it. But a lot of times we notice that this macaroni or spaghetti, they write 5, 10, even 9 minutes, but at the end you're cooking some of them for 15 to 20 minutes. So just make sure you taste it, and when it's okay, you know it's cooked. Okay, remember, keep stirring, keep checking your bolognese. You don't bring it down. Make sure you let it to keep doing its own thing. As the macaroni or your spaghetti or whatever is cooking. And remember, you must cook both at the same time, or you must cook both like 20 minutes after you put the bolognese on fire, so that they will cook together and everything will finish the same time. Okay, so let's keep watching. Oh god, I really enjoy this meal. This meal is one of my bomb. Okay, so whenever you want any other meal you want me to prepare, please inform me and I will come and I will make it. Okay, so whether they are national, continental, I will be doing that. So now you can see me, I'm setting up my oven. I'm setting up the oven. You have to put it in up and down. Keep checking your bolognese, it's very important. Keep checking it so that it does not burn and it does not just overcook itself. All right, so the moment your oven is getting prepared, you bring out your plates, you set your plates. Make sure your plates are being set, because you'll be needing your plates, and a bowl plate is preferable. You will see why I said a bowl plate is preferable. You can see the bolognese, the face is looking very, very delicious. That means it is ready, it is cooked. Okay, make sure you keep closing. Macaroni, our spaghetti, whatever you're using, spaghetti, macaroni, whatever, is ready, but I used macaroni, so my macaroni is ready. I'm dishing it into the plate. After I finish dishing into the plate, the next thing, I am serving the bolognese on it. Oh my god, you can also eat it just this way without your cheese. You can eat it just this way without your cheese, but I love the cheese. So this is the gouda, and then the parmesan goes on it. Yeah, and then when you put the parmesan, you make sure you do it very well. The next thing, you see the oven you preheated, you put it into the oven and you just make sure you watch it. Don't leave there so it does not get burnt. Okay, and if you watch the oven, you're going to see that I put it on grill. Look at it, high. Yeah, exactly, that's the position you put it, the fan and the grill up, and 200 is perfect. Make sure you don't leave, just be there. You can see how beautifully crispy it has become. It was so delicious, my goodness, it's so amazing anytime I prepare bolognese. And this way, it gives you what they call heaven in dinner. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.